has some of the amazing foods, street food, Chinese food and traditional food. But today I am planning to try out all the international food in Calcutta because there are a lot of options. So let's go. Ta-da! Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am in iDelight. This is the first Singaporean cafe in Calcutta. I have seen so many reels and so many shots about them that I finally had to give this a try.
So this is iDelight Cafe, which is the first Singaporean cafe, and it has a very cozy ambience, and they also have some souvenirs like candles and perfumes and gifts which you can take for your loved ones. So I ordered this chicken laksad and this wonton soup. This was in a combo and it tasted so good. This was my first time trying out Singaporean food and I absolutely loved it. I don't know what the sauce was made of, but it was so good, like just so good and so addictive. Now it was time to try out the wonton soup. The wontons were huge in size and it was so soupy and it was not salty at all. The broth was so fresh and warm. It had fried onion and spring onions and I absolutely loved the taste of it. It was just that good. It was very light but also very filling, I guess, because it was warm. It also had a little bit of burnt flavor to it, which I got used to after some time, but I absolutely loved it. It was just that good. Let's appreciate the wonton soup a little bit more. So far everything I tried out from this was so good, so fresh, so unique, and 10 on 10, highly recommend.
Right now I am going to my favorite Korean restaurant, that is Cafe Dog. You cannot tell me that there is better Korean food in Calcutta because I think Cafe Dog serves the best food. I am especially so excited to try out tteokbokki.
And I was, until I had bibimbap.
My Korean food is here.
Although I find many Korean restaurants to be knockoff, this is an authentic Korean restaurant and I love it so much. So I ordered tteokbokki, non-veg normal tteokbokki, not roast tteokbokki, and I love tteokbokki. But the star of today's show was bibimbap. This was my first time trying out bibimbap and I usually ignore bibimbap because it has rice and greens and brinjal and carrots. So it seems like a normal healthy dish and I don't enjoy the taste of that so much because it looks quite bland. I enjoy flavorful spicy food, but bibimbap tasted so good. I finished the whole bowl of it. It was just that good, so filling, so fresh, and I did not expect to like it as much as I did because the taste of it was so good. There were also small brinjals like this and carrots and greens and I loved all of it. I am definitely going to order it again. It's a solid 10 from me. So coming back to tteokbokki, of course tteokbokki tastes very good. It's a non-veg tteokbokki. I love the chicken pieces. There was also egg and it was also very addictive and fresh and chewy and loved it.
Guys, my opinion have changed. I love bibimbap now more than tteokbokki. Now it's time to try out Thai cuisine. There are a lot of places where you can get Thai food, but the restaurant is close to my place, so I'm here.
So this is Chai Break, situated in Cospa. Now this is not a dedicated Thai restaurant. You can also find some Thai dishes, some Mexican dishes, some North Indian dishes and South Indian dishes as well. So there are a lot of options, but I started my day with this cup of cappuccino because I really needed it, and then I ordered a Thai green curry. So talking about the cup of cappuccino, it was okay. I did not like it that much, and then I got this Thai green curry which had a very tempting green color. First impressions, I was a little bit skeptical because the color looked way too green for me to like it. I do not enjoy anything green that much, but this had a hint of coconut flavor to it. This was a veg Thai green curry. So this is a coconut based curry which had capsicum and broccoli and other greens in it. It was a little bit heavy but extremely creamy and the taste was quite refreshing and good, but it was early in the morning, so I think it was not a good choice for me. I would have really enjoyed it with some plain bread or a roti. But I'm sure people who enjoy coconut-based curry would love this. I have tried out Thai cuisine before and I absolutely love it. Their food is very fresh and it has a very different taste than our Indian food. But yeah, this was a hit or miss for me. But I am sure some people would be really addicted to this taste. Guys, it's time to try out Chinese cuisine. Finally, you need to try out Chinese food in Calcutta. You can find this anywhere and everywhere at a very reasonable price. I had this fried rice and a chow mein with chili chicken combo and it was so good. As I told you guys can find it anywhere and it always tastes good. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So this was all about Kolkata's international food. There are still a lot of other food options left to explore and discover. I have already made videos about Calcutta's street food, so you guys can also check that out. Comment down below if I should try out something else related to international cuisine or to street food or traditional Kolkata's food. I would definitely try it and make another video like this. So yeah, that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be